Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all your Gmail emails in bulk, and this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and I'm going to show you how you can do this both on using the Gmail mobile app and on your PC. So without further ado, let's get into it. Delete all your Gmail emails using the Gmail mobile app. Once you open the mobile app, in your inbox you simply select any email message in your inbox. So let me select on this one, and as you can see there is an option here to select all. So once you click on select all, it will select all the email messages in your inbox, and once you click on delete here at the top, it will delete all the email messages. So let me click on delete, and you can see you are all done, nothing in primary, so it has deleted all the emails. And that is it guys. So now let's move to the PC and I'll show you how you can do this on your computer. Okay, if you are on PC, once you log into your Gmail account, you simply come here and click on select. You can see it at the top, so click on select, and here it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. So it only selected the email messages that are on this page. So to select all the emails in your inbox, you click on select all conversations in primary. So I'll click on select, and it has selected all the email messages. So after you select, you come here and click on delete, and it will delete all the email messages. So I'll click on delete, and it will delete all the email messages in your inbox, and this might take some time depending on the number of email messages you have in your inbox. And you can see all the messages are deleted, and it says your primary tab is empty, so all the messages are deleted. So that is it for today's video guys. If that is what you needed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you on the next one.